Today guys, pag-uusapan natin everything na nalalaman natin sa bagong release na Samsung Galaxy A37 5G and A57 5G. And thank you nga pala Samsung Philippines for inviting me sa Step Up Your Summer A Game on March 24. It's a closed-door event for mga selected na influencer and sumakto pa sa birthday ko. Sasabihin ko sa inyo mga specs, what are the things that nag-improve, and of course, yung price. Plus your freebies. So stay with me. So there's officially two phones na nilabas si Samsung for this summer 2026. It's the Samsung Galaxy A37 5G and the other one is the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G. Of course, syempre, it should be succeeding A36 and A56. A56 was one of my highly recommended kasi maganda nga ng performance, maganda nga ng camera, and the price is just right. Now, one of the good things naman dito sa dalawang phone nito is ang dami ng colors na pwede mo pagpilian. Ang Galaxy A37 has 4 colors: charcoal, gray-green, white, and lavender. Yung ganang lavender is kanyang hero color. And ito ang kanyang pricing. Ang kanyang 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage will be priced at 25,990. And ang kanyang 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage will be priced at 27,990. Samantala sa A57 5G, also 4 colors na meron niya: gray, navy, icy blue, and lilac. Anong color na pili mo? And ang ganang 8GB of RAM and 120GB of storage will be priced at 28,990. Samantala ka na 8256 will be priced at 30,990. And ang ganang 12512 will be priced at 37,990. Marami siyang freebies kasama. Ano nga ba mga kasama? 1,500 pesos off para sa kanang 256GB of storage on both phones. Parehong meron silang free case starting April 1. Free din ang kanyang travel adapter. And of course, free 2 years na extended warranty. For me, warranty sulit. Now, basically, both of these phones, tawakan naman natin, no? And what can I say about them? Well, honestly, si A57 feels more sturdy. Pag kinumpare mo sa A56 from last year, hindi naman sobrang laki ng lundag ng kanyang changes. It feels almost the same. Parang minor tweaks, more on the AI features kanya. And one thing na nang-improves kanya is yung kanyang vapor chamber. It has improved and 13% better heat dissipation compared sa last year. And nag-improve din siya together with yung Knox Bolt niya. And ang sabi ni Samsung, yung kanyang memory speed has increased by 17% compared sa last year. So ano nga ba mga official specs na nalaman natin para sa Samsung Galaxy A37 5G? It comes together with a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz screen refresh rate. And it also has a 1,900 nits na peak brightness para sa kanyang screen. So if you're directly under the direct sunlight, if you're trying to read the message coming in for you, malinaw pa rin naman siya. Kahit paano readable. Pagdating naman sa kanyang chipset, it's being powered by the Exynos 1480, which is of course developed by Samsung. Wala pa akong masasabi about this sa kanyang performance, pero based naman sa pagtesting ko, well, smooth naman ka ng performance. Sabi naman ni Samsung, it has improved by 70%, more smoother experience compared sa last year. We'll probably take their word for it until mahawakan natin yung actual unit. Now with its price point still having a plastic frame, I would say na sana in-upgrade na nila sa aluminum frames. Pero yung kanyang front and rear glass are Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, so pretty good ang kanyang glass protection sa harap sa likod, except that yung kanyang frames could have been better. IP67 does water resistant nga pala siya, so well, pretty much protected ka naman for splashes, mga ulan, mga aksidente, no? So I would suggest that please don't try na idang siya during your summer vacation sa tubig. It has a 5,000 mAh na battery, which is for me industry standard naman siya, so there's nothing really wow about it. And it can support 45 watts of fast charging without a charger out of the box. Pero if you buy it early, it comes together with a freebie. I'm not just sure kung ilang watts nga lang kasama. Pag binase mo naman sa Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, it comes together with a 25 watts na charging brick. Pagdating sa kanyang camera, it has a 50MP na main camera sensor, 8MP na ultra-wide lens, and a 5MP na macro lens. May gumagamit pa ba ng macro lens? And yung kanyang harap is a 12MP na shooter. So ito naman mga nalalaman natin sa Galaxy A57 5G. One big improvement is yung kanyang presyo, biglang lumipad kasi alam naman natin lahat ng bilihin right now nagtaasan. And also alam din naman natin ang RAM and ROM, pati CPU and GPU nagtataasan din sa market. So it is a expensive expected na price increase for both of these phones. Now, the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G comes together also with a 6.7-inch na Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz screen refresh rate. Yung kanyang display is Super AMOLED na Infinity O display, which probably ma-explain ko further once we get our hands on this unit. And it also comes together with a 1900 nits of maximum brightness. So, improvement na dito on this phone is yung kind of vapor chamber, tumaas yung kind of memory, and it has a uninterrupted na Wi-Fi experience to sa kind of Wi-Fi 6E na technology, which is wala ng A37. And this one is being powered by the Exynos 1680, which is also wala ko idea kung ano ka ng performance, which malalaman naman natin more if we get our hands on this one. IP68 dust and water resistant, aluminum metal frame ang kanang protection with a Corning Gorilla Glass Victus front and back, solid. 5,000 mAh ang kanang battery, also industry standard, nothing to be wow about. And 45 watts of fast charging without a charging brick. Unless you buy early, it comes together with a free charger na hindi ko alam kung ano wattage. And of course, yung kanang camera comes together with a 50MP na main camera sensor with OIS, 12MP na ultra-wide lens, and a 5MP na macro lens na I'm not sure kung may gumagamit pa nun. And ang kind of front-facing camera is a 12MP na shooter. Basically, these are the things na nalalaman natin for the Galaxy A37 and the Galaxy A57 during the Step Up Your Summer A-Game na event ni Samsung. So if you want to know more about both of these products, I'll post the link on the description box below kung saan mo sila pwede ma-pre-order or just simply click the YouTube shopping link there, dyan sa gilid, para ma-redirect kayo sa Samsung official store and doon sila mabili na official. Huwag na kayo paligoy-ligoy, ang daming scammer ngayon. And of course, abangan ninyo guys, so hopefully makakuha tayo ng unit to review for both A37 and A57 para sa inyo. So of course guys, I-encourage ko kayo to like, subscribe dito sa ating channel so ma-update kayo sa mga bagong balita and bagong release sa mga phone just like this one. So paano yan guys, hanggang dito muna ako and I'll see you on my next video. Peace out. And so, ako para si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.